Nakita niyo na ba to? Dahil nung unang nakita ko to, Diyos ko, kinilabutan talaga ako. Kaya sa mga bashers dyan, kalma lang muna mga be. Kasi kung sa tingin nyo ito na yon, Diyos ko, no, patikim pa lang ito. Alam kong patikim pa lang ito. Nakita ko lang to sa Blue App, pero grabe, mga bashers, mga solid supporters at buong pageant world, Diyos ko, nanginginig sila ngayon. Atisa Manalo isn't just pure beauty. Alam nyo yan. She's also brains, grace, and of course the experience rolled into one. Diba? So from Binibini to Miss Universe Philippines, she's been through the fire. Sa totoo lang. And now, I can feel it that she's ready to burn brighter than ever. If I were to be asked, why should we trust her? Una, may puso siya sa bansa. That every move, every smile, dala niya hindi lang ang sarili niya, kundi buong Pilipinas. Pangalawa, she's calm but deadly. Totoo, dahil hindi niya kailangang sumigaw para mapansin. Kasi yung presence niya, Diyos ko, sapat na yun. Pangatlo, she's consistent. Laging handa, laging may elegance, at laging alam mo yun, may puso. At higit sa lahat, she learns, she evolves, and she conquers. Ay! Habang ang iba ay busy sa pambabash, si Atisa Manalo ay sobrang busy maghanda para sa coronation night. Tahimik, pero palaban. Because true queen don't need noise. Their presence says it all. 'Di ba? Kaya dapat pagkatiwalaan natin siya, suportahan natin siya, and stand with her. 'Di ba? Dahil alam kong oras na ni Atisa Manalo. Oras na ulit ng Pilipinas. And I know for sure that when she walks that Miss Universe stage, she won't just represent us. She will remind the whole world who the Filipina true is. At grabe, this look is pure elegance and power combined. Yung tong gown na to, sobrang ganda ng ombre effect niya, from soft nude tones to deep red, na parang sinasabi niya mula sa puso hanggang sa apoy ng laban. Oy, grabe ang ganda nun. So it perfectly represents transformation, delicate yet fierce, subtle yet commanding. 'Di ba? At yung sheer corset detail, grabe, hinuhulma niya yung napakagandang katawan niya. It's so classy, pero alam mong may modern edge. At si Atisa Manalo, she owns it. Yung posture, yung gaze, yung presence, and it's giving Miss Universe ready aura. Hindi pilit, hindi sobra, just queen energy in full control. Imagine, patikim lang to, and she already looks like she belongs to the universe. Kaya kung tatanungin ko kayo, anong masasabi ninyo sa look ni Atisa dito? Yung gown, yung aura. So please rate her overall look from 1 to 10. 1 will be the least, 10 will be the highest. Leave your comments below and thank you so much for watching this video. Please follow me for more. Bye!